Hello gummies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here today, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to the Gummy family. And if you are a returning gummy, what's good? Welcome to another vlog. So yeah, I was at this cute space and it was supposed to be like really like classy, like rooftop vibes. Yeah, when you got there, the ghetto, like there were so many people there, it was packed. And it wasn't giving. Also, we waited for like 30 minutes and we still didn't even get our order taken. So yeah, we decided to leave. Then we went to Cappuccino's. That's my favorite like spot kinda. And then we got pizza and cocktails, and we chilled there and had cocktails for the night. And then yeah, can you tell I'm lit? Yeah. Anyway. Now, the rest of the vlog will just be the rest of my weekend and my stay. And yeah, right now I am giving y'all a little like room tour. This was like the kitchen slash work area vibe. Like, you see what I'm saying? You get it. So yeah, this is the kitchen, microwave oven, kettle, tea, coffee, all that cute stuff, fridge. And then why did I not show the tiny table where I'm standing? Oh, I did. There's this cute little table over here. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's a cute table. I think that was like the Wi-Fi password or something. And then that's just me dancing in the mirror. Yeah, get it, girl. Keep painting. That's like a glimpse of the view. And I tell you that the view is gorgeous. You don't know. I'll show you. I got you with a proper look at the gorgeous view, but we'll do that later. This is just a glimpse of everything. And yeah, anyway, this was like the phone, cute box of tissues, a moment for life, I don't know why. And this is the bedroom. This was like the TV. This was my favorite part. The lamps were so cute. Keep painting. The bed. Yeah. And then now we're gonna go to the bathroom, I'm thinking. Cute bathroom. The shower was massive. It was huge. It was huge. I liked it. That's me again. Hey guys. Hey. It's good. Then that was the toilet. There's another mirror right there. I love mirrors. If there's one thing you should do is make sure there are mirrors around me. I'll be good. The shower, once again, massive. And the toilet paper was pointed and everything, girl, like on per, like. And then yeah, this is the door. And yeah, cute stuff, man. Cute. It was really cute. I really liked it. And guess I'm gonna show you the shower once again. Alright. Mirror time, more mirror time. Yes, girl. Yes, we out here. Now let's take a peek. What's in here? Okay, this is like the safe and hangers for your clothes and stuff. I tried to close that, but oops. Yep. Alright. Now let's let's see what's next. What was in the other one? This is just an empty one, if I remember correctly. Yeah, this is just an empty cupboard. You can put all your shit in there. And then oops, let's close that. Yeah. Yep, now we're gonna dance again. Now we're gonna dance. Yeah, girl, yeah, get it. Okay. And then what's in here? Ironing board, more hangers, extra blanket, and I never know what that other thing is. And an iron, and then that's me again, looking crusty but cute. But yeah, I was tired, guys. I was tired. I was honestly dragging myself to do this tour for you guys. Gowns, slippers, a hairdryer. So yeah, I had to sleep myself to do this for you guys. So y'all better appreciate me. Y'all remember when I told you about the view, right? Cool. But let's get it. Let me show you. What's the level? This was the most gorgeous view of Times Square I'd ever seen. I hadn't seen it from like that angle, but it's just completely like gorgeous. Like the view is just breathtaking. So yeah, man, it was really beautiful. So yeah, anyway, I've been talking on. Let me let y'all enjoy the rest of the views. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.